Now children, today let's start with chapter number 15, our rights and duties. So in this chapter, we will study about India was under the British rule about 2 centuries. It got independence on 50th August 1947. Constitutional Assembly was set up to frame the constitution. President कौन थे आपके Constitution Assembly के time पे? राजेंद्र प्रसाद. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. It took about 3 years. 3 साल लगे आपको draft of the constitution prepare करने में. And it comes into the force on 26 January 1950. We govern ourselves as per the constitution. According to this, our country is sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. Right? Our constitution laid down certain goals before us. Right? So what are the goals? जो preamble है, it lays down democracy, socialism and secular. ये क्या था? Secularism the main goal थे. Democracy is the government for the people, by the people and of the people. लोगों के लिए, लोगों की और लोगों के द्वारा. Right? The people rule themselves, they elect their representative to form the government. Then we have socialism. So India क्या है आपकी socialist state है. जो हमारा constitution है, वो क्या guarantee करता है? Equal opportunity to all. There is no one is discriminated on the grounds of religious, caste or gender. The government tries to reduce economic inequalities among the people and promote their economic development. और क्या promote करती है? Economic development. Then we have socialism. Secular means a state having no religion. इसका अपना किसी भी तरीके का कोई religion नहीं है. India is secular state. People are free to follow. लोग free है, आप कोई भी religion क्या कर सकते हो? Follow कर सकते हो. Right? Next is other goal. Justice, social, economic and political. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Equality of status and opportunity and promote them all. Fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and unity and integrity of nation. Now fundamental rights. Certain rights are necessary to enjoy liberty and lead to better life. इसको हम fundamental right कहते हैं. We have 6 fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, cultural and educational right, right to choose one religion and constitutional remedies. मतलब आप चाहे अगर आपको कोई बात नहीं मानी तो इनको आप कोर्ट भी जा सकते हैं. Right? So fundamental rights are definite and the government or anyone else cannot deprive us from the right. If they are violated, we go to the court to raise our voice and government can impose restriction on some of these rights in emergencies. Now fundamental duties. There can be no right without duty. So we have 2 sides of coin. So a person has a freedom to walk on the road and also has a duty to make sure that others are not obstructed. Our constitution has listed certain fundamental duties to every citizen. Basically, we have 11 in number. Always respect the constitution, the national flag and national anthem. Cherish noble ideas of freedom struggle. Right? Defend our country and render the national services when and where required. Uphold and protect the sovereignty of the state, integrity of the country. Promote harmony और आपको एक स्पिरिट होनी चाहिए कॉमन ब्रदरहुड की. Preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, protect the environment, safeguard public property, right? Develop the scientific temper and provide opportunity for education for children between 6 to 14. Strive towards excellence in all scale. Now directive principle. So people have proper living condition. Children below 14 years of age, they get free and compulsory education. The interest of weaker section is scheduled caste हो गया, scheduled tribe हो गया, other backward caste हो गया. आपको इनको प्रिपेयर करना है, प्रोटेक्ट करना है. इंश्योर इक्वल पे फॉर इक्वल वर्क. आपको डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं करना है मेन और वुमेन में. चिल्ड्रन शुड बी प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम एक्सप्लॉयटेशन. स्टेप्स शुड बी टेकन टू प्रोटेक्ट एंड इम्प्रूव द एनवायरनमेंट एंड सेफगार्ड द फॉरेस्ट. द डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल दैट नॉट जस्टिस ऑफ फेवर वी कैन नॉट गो टू कोर्ट. अगर ये आपके वॉलेट हो रहा है तो आप कोर्ट नहीं जाओ. दे आर नॉट जस्टिस. राइट? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood the 6 fundamental rights. Then I have told you about the fundamental duties and then DSP. That comes the active principle of state policy. जो आपके part 4 में आ. Right? This is all in this chapter. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.